guys, welcome to another pipe cleaner tutorial video. Today we will learn how to make a pipe cleaner figure structure. So at first you need to make a circle like this. You can use any size of a circle. I have used the one which was available with my Favicol. After making the neck, now you have to cover it with pipe cleaner, the whole head. The way of covering it should be like stitches. You can see properly in the video. The whole head will be like this. Only when we will come near the neck, we will start randomly circling the pipe cleaner over it. It doesn't need a proper way at that time. You just have to focus on that it doesn't show gaps in between. After head, everything is easy, leg and hands, because you just have to cover it with pipe cleaner and make it thick, make it a bit more fuzzy. So you can wrap it as however you like, because like I said before, pipe cleaner doesn't have a proper process, but you can learn it and make your own way out of it. So this is how you will cover leg, stomach, hands and everything. And you can add ear and structure as well. or you can add ear later. You just have to cover and make a ear. You can see in my previous video. After completing everything, the main part is giving it proper shape. So we will use scissor and cut the more fuzzier part so it will look clean. We will cut only the fuzzier part which are not looking equal in the structure. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.